Hi there, welcome to Acti Learning. In this video we're looking at dotted quaver or dotted eighth note rhythms. These are the note values you should know already: semi-breves, dotted minims, crotchets, quavers and semi-quavers. If you're not sure about any of these, please check out our other videos where we cover these rhythms. So a dotted quaver on its own is worth 3/4 of a beat. The quaver on its own is half a beat, and then the dot adds half the value of the note, which is a quarter. So altogether that makes 3/4 of a beat. And this is how it looks on its own. So you can see the quaver with the dot, and that's 3/4 of a beat. Okay, so if we break it down a little bit, you can see that a dotted quaver is equal to 3 semiquavers. So as each semiquaver represents a quarter, then 3 semiquavers would equal 1 dotted quaver. Dotted quaver rhythms will often be paired with semiquavers, and it will look like this. So you can see that there's a dot with the quaver and they're beamed together, and you can see that there's a double beam on the right hand side which represents the semiquaver. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, so we're going to try one of these rhythms. So we're going to use Muffin because it's easier to count that way. Okay, let's take it nice and slow. So remember, you have a long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Muffin, 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 tea. Muffin, 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 tea. That's great, well done. Now let's have a look at mixing quavers with dotted quaver rhythms. Ready? 2, 3, go. Coffee, coffee, muffin, muffin, coffee, coffee, muffin, muffin. Okay, that's brilliant. Hopefully you understand that, the difference between semiquavers and quaver rhythms. Right, so let's try this rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Tea, muffin, tea, tea. Tea, muffin, muffin, tea. Muffin, muffin, tea, 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 muffin, tea, tea. Again, tea, muffin, tea, tea. Tea, muffin, muffin, tea. Muffin, muffin, tea, 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 muffin, tea, tea. Well done. Okay, here's another one for us to try. 1, 2, ready, go. Coffee, tea, muffin, muffin, tea. Muffin, muffin, tea. Tea, muffin, tea. Muffin, 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 tea, tea. Again, coffee, tea, muffin, muffin, tea. Muffin, muffin, tea. Tea, muffin, tea. Muffin, 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 tea, tea. Great, well done. So now we're going to try a rhythm in 3/4 time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tea, tea, muffin, muffin, tea, tea. Tea, muffin, tea, tea, muffin, muffin, tea, tea, muffin, muffin, tea. Again, tea, tea, muffin, muffin, tea, 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 muffin, tea, tea, muffin, muffin, tea, tea, muffin, muffin, tea. Great, I hope you've understood that. Let's have a quiz now just to check what you've understood in this video so far. Okay, if you need to go back over anything, now's the time to do it. Okay, let's start our quiz. So can you spot the missing pair of dotted quaver rhythms? So you can see, look at the bars, it's in 4/4 time. Remember, it has to add up to 4. Where do the missing notes go? Okay, pause the video if you need to and think about where it would go. Okay, the answer's coming up. 3, 2, 1. There we go. So there are the missing semi-dotted quaver rhythms. Brilliant. Okay, you can try tapping that rhythm if you want some more practice. Okay, so here's some music maths. How many semiquavers is equal to a dotted quaver? So how many semiquavers would be equal to this note? Okay, have a think about it, pause the video if you need to. Maybe go back over the video if you're not sure about this one. Answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it'd be 3. Okay, so remember that a dotted quaver is 3/4 of a beat, so it'd be equal to 3/4, which are quavers in this case. Okay, next question. How many semiquavers would be equal to a crotchet? So how many semiquavers would fit into one crotchet? So think about how many beats is a crotchet, how many beats is a semiquaver, and then write the answer in the box. Okay, have a think about it. Answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that would be 4. Okay, so a crotchet is 1 and semiquaver is a quarter, so 4 would go into one crotchet. Okay, right, we have another question. Okay, so this is the whole point of the video. How many semiquavers fit into this note? So think about the value of both of these notes on the left, and how many semiquavers would it be equal to? Okay, really think about it. Pause the video if you need to. Answer coming up. 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, so you have the semiquaver on the right, and then you have the dotted quaver on the left. So that would be 3/4 plus a quarter, which is 4/4. Okay, so what about this one? How many semiquavers would fit into a dotted minim? Okay, so think about how many beats is a dotted minim and how many semiquavers would fit into that. Okay, pause the video if you need to. Answer coming up. 3, 2, 1. Great, so a dotted minim is 3 beats. So 3 times 4 is 12. Yeah, because they are quarters. Right, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like more.